Let's enter REC. Enter OEC. Okay, and if for example you want to draw a rectangle dimensionally, so specify first starter point, and if I look it over here, so with the green mark alphabet, do you want to draw this rectangle by area, dimensions, or rotations? So I will just enter D. Okay, so specify length 4 and width of the rectangle, that is also 4. So we can get the result. And next we have the arc. If for example I just want to draw an arc like this, and if for example I just want to draw an arc like this, okay, so you can draw any kind of arc. See, let me erase it. The next thing, we have the ellipse arc. Press F8, and next I just click here. See, ellipse arc. Specify X endpoint, or specify other endpoint, which is this one. Specify distance to other, and that is for example 4, and specify start angle, that is 0, and specify an angle, that is 0. Next we have the ellipse arc. Now to see how it's worked. See, you will get a result like this.